Hi, this is Anthony. Welcome back to my show. So I just wanted to make a short video and announce that I've sold my plug power. I did a video, I don't know, a week ago about buying into plug power as a pure speculation. I sold today up about 25%. Again, this is not something that I would encourage anybody to put much money in. I had a couple dollars in cash in my Roth IRA. The rest of the Roth was fully funded, and so I bought 3 shares of plug power. It went up 28% on Friday. It was down a little bit to about 25% from what I bought it at, so I sold it today. There's the one day it was down 3.8% today, about 3.5% down the past 5 days, up 18.79% in the past month, down 6 months year to date, down 24%, down 26% in the 1 year range, down 77% for 5 years, and down 98.89% from the IPO back at this point. But if you would have bought in soon after the IPO at nearly $1,500, you'd have $1.77 now. So will it go up any more? Who knows? It could a little bit. Again, this should be only treated as a speculation if you decide to do it, and I wouldn't necessarily recommend it, but you should have a well-diversified long-term portfolio for most of the money in your portfolio. But sometimes it's kind of fun to play around with a few penny stocks like this. If you are going to buy into it, do your own research. I'm just an entertainer, not a stock analyst. It does lose a lot of money. There are some videos or other news items that you can find. Because so many people are talking about it, that might encourage some people to buy into it, which might push the price up a little bit. Again, those are not necessarily prices based on fundamentals of the company or the financials, but hype. Another one that's recently been in the news, and I saw a video about this, Opendoors. I don't own any of this. I wouldn't probably even speculate in this, but so you can see it jumped up a few weeks ago. There, it's up for the past 6 months, up 56%, but you see it kind of slid down for a long time. Past year, it's currently down 6%, but of course that's after the bump up. 5 years, you're down 78%, and same thing for the max. Again, if you do decide after doing your own research, watching some videos on YouTube and figuring out if this is right for you as a pure speculation, then you can make that decision. But of course, again, I encourage you, do your own research on good long-term stocks to hold, and hopefully you'll invest most of your money in something like that. Check out my other videos if you haven't already. Please do hit subscribe, hit like, leave a comment. I always read the comments, and eventually I get around to responding to them. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.